Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube episode. And for today's YouTube episode, we've got, you guessed it, this is the HD-1861-A model electric tea kettle from Sears. But the branding says it's from ZOKOP or something. It's supposed to be, it's a Japanese tea kettle, it's a Japanese teapot, and it's 1.8 liters. So let's open it and find out what's inside in today's unboxing episode. Oh yeah, and by the way, I don't know if you could read there, but that's my name, Young Cash Boy. Anyways, first thing we get is the cable itself, and oh yeah, check it out. It's a self-wrapping cable. Nice. So I guess you just wrap the cable around like that. And when you get that, let's see what else is in the box. There's the electric kettle, the instruction manual, nothing in that. ZOKOP kettle instructions. And here's the kettle itself, guys. Supposedly it lights up. This kettle lights up in different colors or multicolors or something. In any color you want. Oh, and it even has a tea strainer on the inside. Let's remove this thing. There you go. It even has a tea strainer, so you put your tea leaves in here. You know, this is where you put your tea leaves. You know, and then this must be like the plate. And then, well, you got the right here. Is down there is where it gets hot. Back, and then you just put the base. Oh yeah, and here's the on and off switch. It only has one setting, I guess. 360 turn. Let's connect. We could connect it. And there's your colors. And well guys, you've seen it there. That's the unboxing of the Japanese ZOKOP 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 tea kettle. It makes around 1.8 gallons of 1.8 liters of water. Not bad. Anyways guys, I'll see you on the next episode.